Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter, determinants. So let us start. Determinant is also a rectangular array of elements. But the symbol of determinant is like mod symbol. And the element is defined by their position as similar to matrix. But in the case of matrix, we cannot find the value of any matrix. But in the case of determinant, we can able to find out the value of any determinant. So first of all, we will start from the topic how to find out the value of any determinant. So we have a first question like 2, 4, 3, 1 and we have to find out the value of this determinant. Determinant is also represented by a capital letter like A. We have to find out the value of determinant A. We can express the value of determinant by triangle. So to find the value of determinant, we have to cross multiply the elements for square matrix of order 2. So we find 2 into 1 and 4 into 3 and subtract these two elements. 2 minus 12, we get minus 10. So the simple rule is just cross multiply the 4 elements and use minus sign between them. Okay, so let us take another one example. Suppose this one is A, B and A. We have to find out the value of this determinant. So just cross multiply the elements. A multiplied by A, we get A square, and B multiplied by B, we get B square, and use subtract sign between them. Correct? This is the value of determinant A. Now come to the third order determinant. How to find the value of third order determinant? We find the value of determinant by using any row and any column. Suppose we have a 3 cross 3 determinant and we need to find out the value. So firstly write down element first and then their respective row and column will be cancelled out. That means respective row and column will be cancelled out. So the remaining elements is 1, 1, 1, 2. So note down the elements. And now write down the second element with subtraction sign. As we go from the first row, this is positive, take negative and then positive. As similar as we go from the column, that means if we want to find out the value of this determinant by the help of first column, we use positive, negative and then positive. Now write down negative 2 and their respective row and column will be cancelled out. So the respective row is first row because 2 belongs to first row and second column element. So second column will be cancelled out and first row will be cancelled out. The remaining is 1, 0, 1, 2. So the elements of 1, 0, 1, 2 is remaining. Just note down these elements. And now note down third one element with positive sign and neglect respective row and column. This is belongs to third column and first row. So that's why we neglect third row and first column. So the remaining 4 elements are 1, 1, 0, 1. So just note down this element 1, 1, 0, 1. What we get after solving this? Let's see. 1. Cross multiply 2 and use subtract sign between them. Minus 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 into 0, 0. That means minus 0. Plus 3. Now 1 ones are 1. 1 into 0, 0. So we get 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 2 into 2 plus 3. So we get 1 minus 4 plus 3. So that means 1 minus 4 is minus 3. And this is positive 3. This will be cancelled out. We get 0 here. Got it? Now come to the NCERT exercise 4.1. The first question is, find out the value of determinant 2, 4, minus 5 and minus 1. Firstly, cross multiply the elements and use subtraction sign between them. So 2 ones are 2, 2 into minus 1 and then minus sign between them. Now multiply these two elements, 4 and minus 5. We get minus 2 here, minus 20. So we get minus 2, minus plus 20. So we get 18 here. Got it? The second question about exercise 4.1 is cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta. We have to find out the value of this determinant. So this is very easy. Firstly, cross multiply the elements and use subtraction sign between them. You get the value of the determinant. So cos theta is multiplied by cos theta. We get cos square theta and use subtraction sign between them. Now minus sin theta and sin theta will be multiplied. We get minus sin square theta. Negative gets positive. This is cos square theta plus sin square theta. So by the first identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta, we get equals to 1. Okay. Now come to the next question. This is x square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1 and x plus 1. We have to find out the value of the determinant. So firstly, just cross multiply the elements. X square minus x plus 1 is multiplied by x plus 1 minus these two will be multiplied. We get x minus 1 and x plus 1 here. Firstly, multiply by x. We get x cube minus x square plus x. Now multiply by 1, we get x square minus x plus 1. Now negative x plus a, x plus b, we get x square minus b square. So this will be cancelled out and this will be cancelled out. Negative positive. We get x cube plus 1 minus x square minus plus 1. So after solving this, we get x square x cube minus x square plus 2. So this is the value for the given determinant. Now come to the next question. If A is given to you, matrix 1, 2, 4, 2. Now then show that mod of 2A is equal to 4 of determinant A. Determinant of 2A is equals to 4 of determinant A. So firstly, matrix is given. We have to find out value of 2A, that means twice of any matrix. So the any scalar is multiplied by the any matrix. We know that scalar is multiplied by each and every element. So we get 2, 4, 8 and 4 because 2 is multiplied by every element. Now we have to find out value of this determinant. We have to find out value of 2A. So the value of 2A, determinant 2A, that means determinant of 2, 8, 4, 4. So the value is 2 4s are 8 minus 4 8s are 32. So we get minus 24 here. Now this is your left hand side. Now we have to find out right hand side. So the right hand side is 4 is determinant A. So just 4 multiply by determinant A. Determinant A is 1 4 2 2 So this is 4 multiply. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Now 2 4s are 8. This is minus 8. So we get minus 6 here. So 4 into minus 6 we get again minus 24. So that means left hand side equals to right hand side. So that's proof. Determinant of 2a is equals to 4 of determinant a. Now come to the next. So the next question is, A is given to you, matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 2 4. We have to show that determinant of 3a is equals to 27 multiply of determinant a. Firstly, we have to find out 3a. That means 3 into matrix A. So, if any matrix is multiplied by any scalar, so scalar is multiplied by every element. So, we get 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0 and 12. Now, find out the value of this matrix. So, it is converted by matrix, and the rules for find the three order matrix is, firstly write down 3 here and corresponding row and column will be cancelled out. So the remaining 4 elements solve by as it is as we find out the value of determinant by second order. So this is 12th is the 36 and this will be 0. So no need to write down 0 because 36 minus 0 we get again 36. Now 0 multiplied by any number we get again 0. So just write down positive 3. And the respective row and column will be cancelled out. We get 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 3, 0. That means all is 0. So we get 108 here. Now we have to find out right hand side. What is the right hand side? So this is 27 determinant of A. Now we have to find out the value of determinant A. So A is given this. So that means determinant A is 101, 012 and 004. Firstly, write down 1 and respective row column will be cancelled out. We get 1 4s are 4 and 2 0s are 0. Now minus 0. 0 is multiplied by any number. We get again 0. So just note down positive 1 and the respective row and column will be cancelled out. We get 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0. That means all are 0. So we get 4 only. If we multiply by this by 27, what we will get? We get again 108. That means left hand side equals to right hand side. Now come to the next question. In next question we have to find out value of different determinants. So first is given to you 3 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 minus 1 3 minus 5 0. Firstly, write down 3 and respective row and column will be cancelled out. So this is 0 multiplied by 0 and minus 5 minus 1, this is 5 and we use subtraction sign between them. So we can write minus 5. Now note down minus 1 with subtraction sign. So respective row and column will be cancelled out. That means this will be cancelled out. We get 0 into 0, 0 and minus 1 into 3 we get minus 3 and we use one minus sign between them. So we get positive 3 here. So now write down minus 2. Respective row and column will be cancelled out. So 0 into minus 5 is 0 and 0 into 3 will be 0. So minus 15. This will be minus minus plus 3. So we get minus 12 as a value of given determinant. Now come to the next. This is 3 minus 4 5 1 1 minus 2 2 3 1. Now firstly We have to note down first element 3. Respective row and column will be cancelled out. So the remaining elements is 1, 3, minus 2 and 1. Now note down minus 4 with negative sign. So the respective row and column will be cancelled out and the remaining element is 1, 2, minus 2 and 1. Now note down the third element and respective row and column will be cancelled out. What will be the remaining elements? So the remaining elements is 1, 1, 2, 3. So just note down 1, 1, 2 and 3 and solve the value of these determinant. We get 3. We have to cross multiply these elements by using subtraction sign between them. So 1 ones are 1. We use 1 subtraction sign and 1 is there also. 2 3 is 6. So this will be positive 6. Minus minus will be positive. We use positive 4. Now 1 ones are 1. 2 twos are 4. This is positive 4 plus 5. We get 1 3 is a 3 and minus 2 here. So 6 plus 1 7. So this will be multiplied by 7 and this will be multiplied by 4 plus 1 5 and 5 this is 1. We get 21 here, 20 here and 5 here. Now add these all. 5 0 plus 1 this is 6 and 2 plus 2 this is 4. So we get 46 as the value of this determinant. Hope you all understand how to find out the value of determinant of second order and third order. Now come to the next question, which is find out the value of x of determinant 2, 4, 2, 1 is given to you. 2x, 4, 6 and x. In the case of matrix, we compare directly the position elements, but in the case of determinant, we need to find out firstly value of the determinant. So firstly, the value for this determinant is 2 into 1, 2 minus 4 to the 8. And this is 2x square minus 6 4 the 24. So this is minus 6. 2x square is minus 24. Now minus 24 is separate, left hand side we get positive 24. This is minus 6 plus 24. 2x square. We get 18 here. Now 2x square. This will be separate and divide. We get 9 here. So the value of x is positive negative 3. So now come to the last question of this exercise. If we get value of x, this is given to you. X 18, 2, x is a determinant and 6, 2, 18 and 6 is another one determinant. We have to find out the value of x. So what we will do? Firstly, find out the value of this determinant by cross multiplication of 4 elements and use subtraction sign between them. 36. 6 6 are 36. Now this is a 36. 36 and 36 will be cancelled out. We get x square minus 36 equals to 0. So x square is equal to 36 and x will be positive negative 6. So the option B is correct.